Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a search bar in Power BI Desktop. Find anything fast. Let's dive right in by talking about why adding a search bar to your Power BI Desktop reports can be a game changer. Imagine you're dealing with a large dataset. It can be daunting to sift through endless rows and columns just to find one piece of information. That's where the magic of a search bar comes in. It allows your viewers to quickly type in a word or phrase, narrowing down the data instantly. This not only saves time, but also enhances the user experience, making your reports much more interactive and user-friendly. Whether users want to search by names, categories, or any specific field, this feature can significantly improve their ability to navigate complex datasets. Now, let's walk through the steps to make this happen in Power BI Desktop. First, ensure you have your report open in Power BI Desktop. You should see the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. This is your toolbox for adding new features and visuals to your report. You're looking for a specific icon here, the text slicer. It looks like the letters A, B, and C, with a small lightning bolt in one corner and a filter icon in the other. Once you locate it, click on it. This action will drop a new, empty visual right onto your report canvas. This is the framework of your search bar. At this point, the search bar will appear blank, because it isn't linked to any data yet. Now it's time to connect it with your dataset. Look over to the data pane where all your data fields are listed. This is where you need to make an important decision. Which column do you want your users to be able to search? Remember, the search bar will act based on this column, filtering the report according to the relationships you have set up in Power BI. Once you've decided on the column, simply drag it from the data pane and drop it directly onto the empty text slicer on your canvas. As soon as you do this, the visual recognizes what data it should search through, making it fully functional. Now let's test it out. Click into the search bar and start typing any text. The slicer will immediately begin searching for matches within that column, filtering your report accordingly. It's designed to detect the closest matching values, so even typing partial words or fragments can effectively narrow down your data. This is particularly useful for extensive lists, like customer names or product titles, where scrolling might be cumbersome. An important tip here: choose a column that makes the most sense for how your users think about the data. For example, if your audience is more familiar with product names rather than internal codes, it's smarter to use the product name field. Even if your column is numeric or filled with abbreviations, the search bar can manage, but clear text often gives the best results. And there you have it. You've successfully added a simple yet powerful search bar using the text slicer in Power BI Desktop. By connecting it to a relevant column, you've enabled quick and efficient data filtering for your viewers. This small feature can make a big difference in how users interact with your reports. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to add a search bar in Power BI Desktop. Find anything fast. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.